Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the text color based on your requirement. I'll show you how to do it. So here I have employee ID wise details and I have name, the sales data Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So let's say I want to see uh, the data for Q4. So whoever achieved sales more than 10,000 should be in green. So for that you need to select individually and then apply the green color. Let's say I'll apply this one. So it looks good when you put a green color, and it gives a hint that this person has achieved the target or did more than the target. So this is a one way you can change the color of that particular cell. And there is another way, by using conditional formatting you can do it. So you have this option called format, click on it and then conditional formatting. Now select the column which you want to add, which you want to add color to it. So in my case it's a G column. I want to add colors for quarter 4 for the people who achieved more than 10,000 sales. So now I'll give the condition here. It says greater than 10,000. Well, let's make it as 11,000 because all the numbers are above 10,000, so all the numbers will turn as green. So for that we'll do it like 15,000, so that some remain as white and some turn as green. So by default it will be green color. If you want to add any other color you can add always. So there is a spectrum of all these colors. You can, based on your requirement, your organization requirement, you can do it. Like if you don't want to add green, you can add different colors. Now simply click on done. So the reason why it is not giving us, because the range was on cell, so that is the reason it was not reflecting. So let's put it as G entire column and then click on OK, then done. Now you can see all the numbers which are above 15,000 is turned as green. So any number which you add here, like the next row, let's say if I add 10,000, it will remain, the color will not change. But let's say if I add 50,000, it will turn into green color, so green background color. So in this way, so whenever you add the new data, automatically it will convert it as green color. So let's say if you want to add the red color for the people who did not achieve the target, so you can do it. The simple way is go to the same location, click on conditional formatting. There is always there is already one rule we added, so you can click on add another rule and then check if the range is correctly selected or not, because earlier it was only selected one single cell. So now so now we will select less than, because we are looking the data which is less than 15,000. Okay, if it is less than 15,000, the color should be like this one, light red, and then click on done, exit this one, and then see. Now it gives us the hint that who are achieving the target and who are in red. So you can easily identify so Emily and Charlie and Grace So these are the people who are not achieving the target. So by this way you can always check back and always clean your data. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.